Hey, my beautiful and amazing people. Hey, wonders they say it shall never end. Oh. Hey, matter don't full ground. Paned Woko hidden secret has finally been exposed. Chai! Make una come see how mother takes sell her daughter to a man thinking he dey sell am make he go get this money, whereas at the end of the day, e be like say to do slavery go even better pass this one. My beautiful and amazing people. Una no talk say Paned Nwoko na lawyer, a practicing lawyer for Obodo Ibo na e be. Even he himself don use him mouth talk and say him be lawyer but he no dey practice for Nigeria. Say na Obodo Ibo na him dey do him own practice. And funny enough, a secret of his first wife finally resurfaced. Say even the first wife too, na lawyer na she be o. Say na for that school of law na im meet the first wife, according to the information. My people, no be small story o, no be small matter. Regina Daniel and im mama, I wonder wetin she go even tell the mama now, because this one e don finally scatter the table. E don expose everything. Regina Daniel burst cry say, God, na me come chook myself inside this one. When you come to catch fish, at the end of the day, the fish come enter ground, reach the level wey be say to catch am come become major issue. Na im be this one. So, my beautiful and amazing people, make una come closer or carry una chair, come close, make una come hear story. But before I go dive into the main cocoa of the cocoa lane, I greet una good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on where una dey watch me from and at the hour una take come across this video. To my returning and amazing subscribers, KK, una face show, una shoe shine. Una own no go ever fit spoil, and una no go ever see the one wey go make una start the wrong kitty, start the wrong kata for inside life by the special grace of God Almighty. And to my first time viewers, thank you for stopping by. I still remember una humble girl Gifted Gist that me dey bring una latest of all legit info. If you never subscribe to this channel, I use God beg una make una dey help us dey subscribe. Hit on the notification bell so they go notify you anytime we drop latest ogbonge tori like this. My beautiful and amazing people, wonder so e no fit ever end. Una already know say for this channel we no dey bring fabu. Na latest of all legit info na we dey always carry. My people, wow. Una remember that time wey Regina Daniel surface for court to tell them her own side of the story, how Paned take dey knack Chika Ike, how im take dey do with other women, how im take promise her say he no go marry another woman join her, and at the end of the day he betrayed, and how Paned take hold her children, say make she no come near her children or come closer to where even the children even dey. Una know say na the matter na im carry them go court o, say she want custody of her children. While Paned Nwoko come go court go dey tell them another thing, say im no go ever fit gree make im two sons go stay with Regina Daniel based on the kind of lifestyle wey she dey live. Say e no fit ever try am. Say imagine say she dey take one or two, dey poof am for air, dey enter club like say na church, dey go from one club to the other, dey do things as if she no be senator's wife, a whole chief like him. She no even dey reason and say what will people say. Say she dey live her life like say she never marry. Say im go fit take any other thing for this life, but you see that one to carry im children give out, im no fit ever take that risk. Now we come dey hear say court come call Regina Daniels, according to the information allegedly, say they come call Regina come tell her the truth why they really no gree allow Regina to have custody of the children. Say at least as the children small like that, so she have every right to take them if she want to. Then if they don't grow, she fit return them. They fit come back to their papa if they want return to their papa, or the papa fit get custody over the children if they don't grow finish. for now, since they still be minor, they still be children, she have every right to collect the children. But because of say Paned Nwoko na lawyer na im be, he already know all the big top officials, top lawyers, top barristers, top as in people at the top. He know them finish. Even politicians na him na im dey always meet for their case, because he no be Nigeria lawyer, he no dey practice for Naija, na outside country, so he know all those laws put together. So according to them now, they say they deny Regina Daniels that right because she is not legally married to Paned Nwoko. Say na Paned na him use him mouth tell them this one. Hey, say she is not legally married to him. Say na tradition na im dem do legally, like, and him know say court wedding dey very good in a way. Say no be only tradition, in as much as say dem no do Islamic marriage, they suppose do that court marriage. But he no gree do with Regina, but he do with him first wife. And funny enough, according to the information allegedly, say that him first wife now, wey be lawyer, wey know everything about law, say they do court wedding with her. Wey make na she dey in charge of every of im properties wey dey for obodo oyibo, and everything wey im dey buy, most of the things na for her name and her children name na im dey buy am. Whereas e come tell their Regina say their own, they no go anything wey im dey buy, e no go buy for their name until their children reach 18 years, where they go fit stand on their own. Na im go assign some properties for them when then the children won't come reach 18 years. But at least, say why he talk like that, be say, at least if the children reach 18 years now, they can now have their property. Their mama fit collect and keep for them, or fit collect and or fit tell them what to do and what not to do. You understand? But for now, every property wey in dey buy now for in name or the name of a first wife. Yes, so whereas if they use their Regina, they use them, they do in political waka waka. She and Leila, if they use them, they do their political waka waka. Whereas person wey they enjoy everything, na the first wife. Now she dey in charge. If today the first wife land for Naija talk say talk, as from today henceforth, I wan relieve una of una activities to dey follow my husband. I mean, want dey follow my husband. Them they no go fit talk. Even the Paned self, e no go get mouth to talk. And if that wife today talk say do the same thing wey Regina do, say she comot for house, say she no wan do again, instanta they go share in property. Like, they no go even think twice before they even share, and they go share the property ASAP. Give her own share. In short, and she go even get the lion share past the Paned Nwoko. So he know all those things put together. Now make he no even they take chances. Una remember when Leila too come out come talk say he no gree marry them legally, because now only that traditional and to swear oath, and from their head now he start to they do that one. Say in other wives, he marry them well traditionally and otherwise. But as they come on one by one, they no one stay. Now he make him change his mind. Say okay, in order to secure them, he go marry them traditionally. Can't go take oath, so that if any of them come out or then cheat, they go collect woto. You don't understand that kind of thing. Now him bring about the oath taking and that traditional marriage wey they do according to Leila. We make her talk say make they pray for them, not knowing say in they do all these things, whereas he know the law. Say it no be bad thing if he marry them legally. Not until Regina Daniel, according to the information, I know say she dey travel, they go they do one or two. Now they say the name Ned Nwoko, the reason wey make Regina remove that name from her name, now because Ned Nwoko name no reflect for outside country. E get wetin she dey try to pursue. When she go to pursue am, they tell her say that name is not recognized. Say the only name wey they recognize na the first wife name and Ned Nwoko. Say that name is not legal. say dem no dey, according to the thing, na only God know wetin be that thing wey she dey work on, wey make her carry her name and her husband name go there, wey dey tell her say after they check am finish, they call her back say they no fit give her the thing because she is not legally married. Hey, eweleke, say she is not legally married. Wetin she come dey for the marriage dey do for 6 good years, wey panel dey come out, dey come dey write story, dey write poem full everywhere. Say she is not legally married, and as such, they no go fit give her the stuff. Say they no recognize the two of them name put together. Hey, hey. Meaning say e get some certain places where she no fit use that name. According to the information, say na one of the reason wey make her kuku say to, since she no go fit use the name is not recognized, make she comot am for inside her name. Chai, Mama Regina, see wetin you don go cause your pikin. Even opportunity wey she go even use the senator's name take get sef, she no fit still use am get am. Not to come talk of say opportunity to get other work or to get one thing contract for where after e spoil the other one, wey dey go suffer meet Minister of Aviation, they meet am finish, contract time reach, they no gree give her again because panel don go scatter the table again. Or everything, e no just want make other na make it better for her or so, or abi na how I wan take put the matter. Anyone wey she put her hand, e go make sure say im scatter am. Now see this one now, this one wey be say na international something. At the end of the day, na Regina come open mouth down say chai, say na so she take enter one chance. So as she is not legally married now, meaning say she no go get this one, say they say that one e pepper her, say they reach her bone marrow, wey make she come comot the name Ned from inside her name, dey bear her papa name. Say before the coming of Ned, her papa name Daniels was already in existence. So with or without a name, she can still do it. Because ever since they still settle, if una observe, she never still add that name to her name. Now understand? Shebi dey talk say they no quarrel. Say information later reach us say na the belle and na the first week, second week, and so on. So she dey under the weather. The belle dey show her shege. Na make she go stay with her mama for some time so that she go fit get enough rest. This one, that one. They just dey come up with different story. They no quarrel, they know this, they know that. Okay, oh. Now like this, if una observe, up till now she has not added the name to her name. Why she never still add am if they thought say everything dey well? Na because of this matter when I dey tell una like this. So my people, wonders e no fit ever end o. See wetin Mama Regina dey cause, wey be say if to say Regina marry the bone of her bone, the man wey she love, the man wey she adore, the man wey be say na only she go be one and only, you think say the man go come go dey buy property for another woman? Or he go come buy property, he go say he no go will am to any of them until they reach 18 years? Or he go come buy something, or he no go come marry her legally? No how they go do church wedding, come do traditional, come even do the court join am. They go do all complete. No be this one wey be say dem do one, come take oath join am, say you go nowhere. After which he know the law, he is already part of the law. He know say court wedding take good, and he get advantage for the woman side. Say any gbagan, if you do anyhow, you go see anyhow. Na him make dey avoid am. You no wan allow them where they take any, where they do the court wedding at all, because he knows the implication of it. My people, it is well, oh. No be small matter, or no be small thing, oh. As I dey tell una like this, so it choke. Make I no come tell una pass the one when I know. Now I say make I come drop am for una. Say this one wey panel do, so it makes sense at all. Why im go do this kind thing to Regina, despite all her sacrifices, despite say she was naive, she was small and naive, she no know anything. At least for that reason alone sef, e for get limit, e for still pity for her to some extent, to some kind things and thing wey be say e go just overlook. But no, e dey treat her like say she be elderly person wey know everything. wey no dey make mistake. No, now it is so very bad. See wetin Mama Regina don cause. Now, in order to eat fish, big fish, at the end of the day, even crayfish they no come see now collect. It is well, oh my people. Make una come drop message, drop una own wetin una think concerning this whole matter for the comment section. Do well to give the video a massive thumbs up. Help us to share the like for more like minds and more recommendations. See you guys in my next upload. Bye.